Just 2 ingredients from your kitchen can make your feet look amazing. The way your feet looks has a significant bearing on people's perception of who you are. If your feet is well taken care of, it usually suggests that you have impeccable personal hygiene, but on the other hand, where your feet are unkempt, then you are looked upon as an untidy person. Many people make use of the services of pedicure salons, but this can be an expensive venture, especially if you intend having a pedicure frequently. You can now get rid of flaky, dry and scaly feet with this 2-ingredient recipe that is easy to obtain, prepare and administer. Ingredients: milk 2 to 4 cups, sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, 3 tablespoons. Preparation and administration: first of all, you need to warm the milk. Get a large basin and pour the milk in it. Next, you add your baking soda and mix well. Make sure you dip your feet in the mixture. Soak your feet for a period of 10 minutes. Once the time elapses, you need to rinse your feet with warm water. Pat dry after rinsing your feet and with a clean towel. You can apply a tooth moisturizing cream or coconut oil. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you want more natural cures and weight loss tips, subscribe to the channel.